Hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to create gift card on Shopify. The first thing you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on products. After selecting products, you're going to tap on gift cards. Once you have selected gift cards, all you'll need to do now, from here you could tap on create gift card in the top right-hand corner. After tapping on create gift card, you can see that they automatically preload a gift card code right here. If you would like to change the code and add in your own custom code, you can do that. You can also set the initial value. At the moment it is set at $10. So let's say for example the gift card is $20 that you would like to create. You could type in $20 right there. You can also set an expiration date if you want, or you can select no expiration date. After you have done that, from there you could tap on create new customer and you could search for the customer that you would like to send the gift card to. Then you will tap on save in the top right hand corner. So you can see that we have created our first gift card. So you could provide customers with this code. All you'll need to do is tap on copy code and you will be able to share the code with customers. Another thing that you could also do if you'd like to create a gift card as a product, all you'll need to do right where you see add gift card product in the top right hand corner, you could tap right there or you could tap on it right here. After selecting add gift card product, from there you could add in your title. So let's say for example, I'm just going to be calling it gift card right here. Then after doing that, you can scroll down and you could add an image for your gift card. So you could tap on upload new, and I'm just going to be using a thumbnail for this example. Then you'll tap on open. Once you have added your gift card picture, you can scroll down and you can choose the denominations. So you can see $10, $25, $50, and $100. Let's say I'd like to also add one for $500. All I'll need to do is tap on add denomination, then type in the value that I'd like to add right there. After you have done that, you're going to scroll back up, and then from there you can see the sales channel that you can choose from. So you can see publishing sales channel. You can tap right here and you can select manage sales channel, and we want to ensure that both sales channel are selected. Then you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on save, we have now created our gift card product, as you can see right here. If you would like to create a thumbnail image for each individual gift card, you can do that by tapping on the image icon right there. So you could upload an image for each individual gift card if you want. All you'll need to do is tap on the image icon right there. Now to view it and see how it looks on your store, all you'll need to do, you could tap on preview in the top right hand corner. So you can see how it looks right there. So you can see $10, $25, $50, $100, and $500. And you can see right there, this is how it looks. I want to send this as a gift. They could tap right there, type in the recipient email, type in their name, and message right there. Then they could scroll down and they can choose the date that they'd like to send it and tap on add to cart. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.